Hey, June.
Hi, nice to see you. How are you doing at home?
Boy, is that a loaded question. Yeah, it's been kind of crazy around here, but we're pushing through, right?
Well, I think it's really a great opportunity because this whole new normal is changing work forever. And
Mm-hmm.
for a while, I know I come out of the tech companies, and there was always a certain amount of work from home as full time. But now, with sheltering at home and the acceptance of a lot of corporations, not necessarily by choice, I think that this experience of working at home and learning how you can integrate all these different things is going to make you a much more valuable employee and a much more valuable person because there are a lot of different things that you have to manage in terms of change.
Yeah,
Is it
yeah.
confusing?
I, I totally understand what you're saying, but I've done a little work from home, and it's really been a different world now that I've got, my spouse is here, my kids are here. She's even got her mother here, so that's a whole nother ball game. And trying to get the kids logged on for virtual learning, and oh, they can't connect. And it's just been, I realize that I'm feeling bad and I'm feeling guilty because I know that I haven't been hitting my deadlines like I should. And so it's just, I don't know what to say except I'm sorry for that and I'm trying.
I hear you loud and clear. One of the things, I have some ideas, and maybe some of them will work for you. Uh, First of all, we put together a research curated list of all the civic organizations that are funded by major foundations and who have hired top notch um, game manufacturers and created all
Mm-hmm.
these different learn at home games. And I separated them out in different categories by different ages. And that might be something which would, help a little bit with the learning at home and relieve you a little bit. Microsoft also has a list of all the free games that they can be playing. And then there are things you could be doing, like creating a family project of assemblage, of putting together lots of different things that you evolve over time. And, kind of separating out the parent opportunities, parent supervised opportunities,
Mm-hmm.
and the kids organized opportunities, but things that will keep them busy. And so I've seen that we just saw uh, they had 10 million hits of a 2 year old little girl. It was really funny in the video because what she had done was she went in the bathroom with her cell phone and she put lipstick all over her face. And her dad caught her, and she was really funny because this gal really had it together. She was flipping through her phone, and he said, "Who gave you permission to do that?" And she said, "I gave myself permission." He said, "Well, whose lipstick is that?" He said, "Oh, it's my lipstick. She's 2 years old." And she said, "Where did you buy it?" He said, "Oh, Home Depot." So, there are some fun things that some of the kids will do as
Hmm.
well. But I think
Oh my
that,
god, that is really hysterical. I think my wife would probably not take it as well if her lipstick got covered all over our 4-year-old. But that's really funny. But I love what you're saying about some of the online learning for the kids because obviously they have some work. The older kids have schoolwork, but to your point, the 4-year-old, it's not structured because daycare is not sending work to do. So it's been a challenge, and I think that's great. If you want to send me a link to those, that's fantastic.
oh, I'd be happy to do that. Some of them are really funny. Another one was one of the sportscasters. Um, he had an 8-year-old little girl, and she came running into the room. They were all sheltered at home, and she said, "Oh, the toilet is smoking." And they all ran in. And what she had done was really quite artistic. She had taken 2 rolls of toilet paper, which she put on top of the toilet seat, which she used as the eyes. And then she had, an empty paper towel roll that she had coming out from inside the toilet. And it was kind of funny. It was kind of cute. So I think you got to put a little bit of humor in it and kind of protect it. Another thing that we did
You know,
is we did a
I think I hear what you're saying, that we just need to let the kids be kids a little, and then focus them on some things that they can do and projects, and I really like that idea. So thank you so much for that.
and thanks for speaking with me. It's been a lot of fun.
Yeah, just in the interest of time, we're going to go ahead and wrap this up for you, June, but that was a really nice job, and I love just giving some suggestions and offering up at the start to just ask him what's going on and how he's feeling about that. I'm going to turn you back over to Christina and Jamie to wrap things up and see what the rest of the crew had to say. And thank you so much.
Thank you.